welcome back to my channel. I'm going to apologize to you guys right away. I am sicker than a dog. My family and I started getting a cold the last couple days of our trip, and it's just been miserable. I am just miserable. I haven't been sleeping lately. I never got to sleep in at all while we were on vacation because we had to get up to get breakfast because they close at like 9 o'clock, and we're not 9 o'clock breakfast people, but we had to get up for breakfast because I could not pass up a free breakfast. But yeah, I am miserable, and I had to go couponing today. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. I had to get out of the house. I just needed to get out of the house. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens today. Again, I will be doing another haul for you guys because I wanted to find more deals. I just didn't have a lot of the right coupons for it, so be prepared. I will be going back for more. So the first deal that I was so excited for was the OxiClean laundry detergent. Now these were on sale for $3.99. Now hopefully you guys still had some of those coupons left. I did not. I used all mine, but there was some digital coupons and I did reset. So I ended up getting these. I used that $3 off coupon that I printed from coupons.com. Otherwise, there are some of those inserts. You guys would just get this for 99 cents. So I ended up getting 4 of them because that's all I had for those coupons. And there might be a digital coupon available. I'm going to check my Walgreens account and see if I have a digital coupon. So I ended up getting 4 of those because you cannot pass up 99-cent OxiClean. So I was super excited to get that. Now I can get closer to my computer. I had that all sitting in my lap. What are you doing?
Just moving that toy.
Oh, moving that toy. The next deal I got is the Nice brand, which is the Walgreens brand of confectioner's sugar. It looks like it's 10 times powdered, or it looks like it's just powdered sugar is what I think it is. Usually I'm used to these not being in a box, but I use powdered sugar like crazy when I make puppy chow, usually in the wintertime. So this was $1.29 on sale. It was $1.29. Why did I write $1.23? I don't know. $1.29. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that is in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for 29 cents. So like you can't go wrong with sugar for 29 cents. And this stuff doesn't expire till, oh, when does it expire? December 7th, 2019. So definitely do that, and I like it how it's in a box. I also got the brown sugar because, again, I'm Norwegian and I eat lefse, and I put brown sugar on my lefse. Now I tried feeling some like soft ones. I don't know how packed these are, but again, these were $1.29. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for 29 cents. And that is a great deal for brown sugar. So I plan on getting a lot more brown sugar to give to my mom because we make some stuff, and why not? You can make so much stuff with brown sugar. While I was at the store, I always walk around the garbage bins. Like my store that I go to on Sundays it's a dump. It's a dump. Like, it's kind of a ghetto area. I used to go to this one all the time when I lived in Madison. I don't live in Madison anymore, but when I lived in Madison, we always went to that one, and it was like ghetto. And what I usually do is I kind of just like look around the parking lot because you never know what you're gonna find. I find Catalinas all the time. Did I throw it away? Yeah, I found one that that expired yesterday, but then I also found one where if you spend $20, you get 5,000 points. Sorry, I'm just like coughing up a storm. But yeah, I found one in the garbage for spend 20, get 5,000 points. So I definitely used that today, so that became a win-win situation. So always look around. There's people all the time who throw that stuff away. I can't even look in the garbage. I mean, I used to pick in the garbage all the time. I really wish I could dumpster dive in the state of Wisconsin, but I can't because it's illegal. But there are times where, you know, when they did the Pepsi points way back in the day, like 20 years ago. Yeah, I was a teenager, so about 20 years ago, they had it where you could get collect their bottle tops and then the wrappers. I collected those like crazy. I was always digging in the garbage, but I got some really good stuff with those. So always check your area. I find them sometimes sitting like in the bushes or in the rocks and stuff, and I've gotten a lot of free money with that. So yeah, I had to do that deal. I got some really good Catalinas during this time, so she's like, you want some Tom? I got Tom and Maine's deodorant. I kept getting those, so I don't know if that one's going on sale soon, but sorry, my kid's having a fit upstairs. But I ended up getting a spend 25 get 7,000 points. Now these are deals where you guys cannot pay with points to get those. I am working on another Walgreens 101 video, so had to share with you guys on that. The Kleenex deal at my store, they were $1.99. They're buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons. You guys would end up paying just 98 cents for the both of these, and these are kind of like adult baby wipes. I don't know if they're flushable or not, but they're just kind of like adult wipes. So if you guys ever need to, like, you know, wipe something off, it's nice to have like wet wipes instead of it's just like an adult baby wipe is what they are. So I don't think they're flushable, but had to go with those. I ended up finding some lip balm on clearance. Now my Walgreens had these for 29 cents. These are the strawberry brand of the lip balm. I love this stuff. I am obsessed with chapstick. I am so obsessed. I always have to have something on my lips. I got chapstick literally in every single room. I got one in my bathroom where I put my makeup on. I got 2 on my nightstand. I got 2 at my desk. I got 1 in the kitchen. I got a couple in my purse, a couple in my pocket at work. I got 1 in each car. I get so obsessed if I don't have anything on my lips, and it drives me nuts. Like, I don't wear lipstick a lot. I do every once in a while, but chapstick is the way to go, and I've actually really enjoyed the Walgreens brand. So yes, this was on clearance for 39 cents, but I got a discount for it, so it came out a little bit cheaper. So I couldn't go wrong with those. So good, so good, so good. Sorry, I'm losing my voice again. I ended up finding this CoverGirl eyeshadow. This was on clearance for $2.99. I used a $2 off coupon that was available on coupons.com. I don't think it's available anymore. So you guys would just get this for 99 cents. The color that I got is Blossoms, number 257. So see if your store has it. You guys can get some makeup pretty cheap if you need some eyeshadow. I am a huge eyeshadow freak. I ended up getting Band-Aids because they did renew their Band-Aid deal. But some of the ones that were easy freebies, they did take away. They took away all that rubbing alcohol, all that stuff, because people took too much advantage of it, which if you had to, you had to. But I just wanted to share with you guys they did extend their Band-Aid deal. So had to share with you guys on that. So I ended up getting the antibacterial clear Band-Aids. There's 50 of them in here. They're the circle ones on here, and they have this stuff on them, which I actually like. So these ones were 2 for $5. Now they're actually showing like $3.49, but if you guys look behind the price tag, it says 2 for $5. The actual price tag is 2 for $5. So they're 2 for $5. It's buy one get one 50% off. You guys would pay $3.75 for these. But then you guys will get 3,000 points, and this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and you will get points. So you guys will get these both for 75 cents. I don't know why I wrote 73. 75 cents. So pretty good deal. You know, had to go right with that. And then Ben saw this. He's like, "Mom, you got me these, you little stinker. You stinker, Mom." And I'm like, what? He's calling me a little stinker because I got him emoji Band-Aids. I'm such a bad mom. I got him some emoji Band-Aids, you little stinker. So these were $3 $3.29. It was buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would pay $4.93 for the both of these, but then you guys will get 3,000 points, making it $1.93. I'm not sure if that's the greatest deal, but I ended up getting the emoji ones, and I also got the minion ones, so he can be a happy boy with some Band-Aids. Sorry, you guys. I ended up doing the Aleve deal. Now I'm going to go back and do this deal like crazy because I have guys at work who use this stuff like crazy, and this is easy money. So this was $6.49. You guys want to use that $5 off coupon in the coupon that we just got. Now it's only for this week only, so take advantage of it. Plus there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just pay 49 cents for this, so that's a great deal. 49 cents for 50 pills. That's like less than a penny a pill, or basically a penny a pill. So had to go with that. While I was on vacation, I ended up getting an email where if you spend $5 off, or if you get $5 or more of pictures, you guys will get $5 off your thing. And it was like a one code thing, and I'm like, sweet, we're going to Disney, I can get some photos. So I used that code. I really wanted to get some 4x6s and 5x7s. I mean, I get 8x10s all the time. I gotta go to IKEA sometime and get more picture frames because my whole entire staircase, when you go upstairs to the bedrooms, like this is the basement, but you have the main floor and then there's the upstairs. I have all the same black IKEA frames that I use, and I'm just using, I have some that have no pictures in it because I keep getting 8x10s and I don't have any other sizes for anything else. So I ended up using that 5 off of 5. So stay tuned and really read those Walgreens coupons, especially when it involves pictures. So I had to get some photos of the family. So this is Ben, Graham, and I at Magic Kingdom. This is us meeting Buzz Lightyear. This is Benjamin meeting Mickey Mouse. He was such a happy boy. This is giving him Mickey Mouse a hug. This is us at night with the castle, and then this is Ben meeting Buzz Lightyear. So I didn't get a lot of pictures that I wanted at Disney, but what we got, I'm super excited for. I was gonna get this photo in an 8x10, but I'm like, I'm kind of glad I got it in a 5x7. So I will be definitely getting more, and then this is another one in a 5x7. So cannot wait to hang those up on my wall. I'm sick of seeing empty picture frames. And once I get all those, filled up, when that happens, I will do a video showing you guys everything that I get, because it's kind of got a Disney themed, and it's also like, family friendly. So yes, that was my haul. I'm sorry I'm just dragging it on, you guys. I miss talking to you guys. I missed a lot of you guys. A lot of you guys were commenting on how lovely a vacation. I haven't even posted any videos of our vacation yet. I did one video, but that's not on vacation. That was done like a week prior. But I do have a vlog. It's going to be a very long vlog. It's probably going to be a 3-part vlog of our trip because I had to record everything, especially when Ben met Mickey Mouse and Buzz Lightyear. It was so cute. So I ended up doing 2 transactions. The one transaction was everything except the Band-Aids. So it came to $6.20 for that total. Now please keep in mind, I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company. But I didn't want to pay with points because I had that 5,000 off of 20 Catalina. So I ended up paying that much money out of pocket. But then I got that 5,000 points back. So if you think about it, everything came to $1.20 for everything. So that included my pictures, the soap, the sugar, the makeup, the Aleve, everything for $1.20. I think that is a very great deal. My second total came to $6.86. I did pay with points. I paid 5,000 points with that total. So I only had to pay 86 cents out of pocket. But then I got, or no, I paid $6.80. I don't remember. But anyways, I got 6,000 points back. So if you guys think about it, that came to 86 cents for that total. If you add everything up together, I actually paid $2.06 for 19 items. That comes out to be 11 cents a piece. I just counted the pictures as one item, but 11 cents a piece. I think that is a great deal. So definitely do the Aleve deal if you guys can, and be prepared. It's probably going to sell out like crazy, but those coupons you can use for per transaction. So that is a great deal on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned. We have lots of videos to show with you guys for our vacation. I love to share with you guys on that, and I will see you guys all Tuesday for a second Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.